Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, confirm your Android version and carrier support for blocking features, then go straight to Settings. Open Sound and Vibration and tap Do Not Disturb. This is the fastest way to silence all incoming calls. Once there, toggle DND on and set Schedule if you want it recurring. Make sure to disable any priority exceptions for calls so that no numbers bypass the rule. This ensures every incoming call is held silent or blocked depending on your next choices. Once DND is active, refine call control by blocking specific senders. Open the phone app, tap Settings, then block numbers and add entries or toggle unknown callers. Next, return to Do Not Disturb settings and choose Exceptions. Set calls to none so no incoming call will ring. If you want absolute silence, also disable visual notifications and vibrations. Make sure to save or confirm changes, otherwise some manufacturers revert to defaults. These steps combine system-level silence with targeted blocking for full coverage. To finish, test the setup. Call your number from a second phone and confirm there's no ring, vibration, or banner. If calls still arrive, make sure carrier services like call forwarding, Wi-Fi calling, or VoLTE LTE aren't overriding your settings. Contact the carrier to suspend inbound calls if needed. If behavior is inconsistent, restart the phone and install available system updates, then reapply DND and block lists. This fixes lingering bugs and ensures your phone stops all incoming calls as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.